Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn Information Technology. Today in this video I will cover some points related to the alignment, that is alignment, their types, steps for applying these alignment and shortcut keys for applying the alignment, and some practical work are there. So let's start. What is alignment? Now first, I am reading out the definition of alignment. What does alignment means? Alignment basically means the position of text in the page, or you can say in the screen. Let's start. Alignment or align is a term used to describe how text is placed on the screen. Means alignment का basically means होता है आप कोई भी जो भी आप टेक्स्ट लिख रहे हो, चाहे वर्ड, चाहे सेंटेंस, चाहे इवन पैराग्राफ, वो पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ और वर्ड पूरे पेज पे कहाँ उसकी पोजीशन है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अलाइनमेंट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज अलाइनमेंट. सो फॉर अप्लाइंग द अलाइनमेंट वी कैन मूव टुवर्ड्स द होम टैब. In the home tab you will see there are several groups are there. You will move to the group that is paragraph. Means in the home tab you will click on the paragraph group. In the paragraph group you will see some icons are given over there in the form of lines. These are the types of alignment. Means paragraph group में जो भी lines form में commands दिए हैं, that is called alignment types. First is left alignment, second one is center alignment, third one is right alignment, and last is justified alignment. What does it mean? How we can apply and what are the shortcut keys? I will tell you in this video only, so continue to watch this video. Now next is types of alignment. In MS Word, there are 4 types of alignment. That is, I have already told you above in the figure. Left alignment, this one is the left alignment. Center alignment, this is the symbol of center alignment. Next is right alignment, this is the symbol of right alignment. And last is justified. In MS Word, there are only 4 types of alignment. Similarly, in PowerPoint, also there are 4 types of alignment, as the name are same in PowerPoint also. Means PowerPoint में भी यही 4 same type के alignment होते हैं, that is left, right, center, justified. But in spreadsheet there are 6 types of alignment. I will tell you in spreadsheet also in later. Now let's move further to the definition of left alignment. Left alignment basically means it aligned the text towards the left margin. Means when you have write something text in your copy, you have drawn some margins toward the left side. By default in your copy, from the red line, margin is already drawn from the left side. That is why you have write all the text from this margin only. Similarly, MS Word provide you all the text by default in left alignment only. That is why, as the name specified, left aligned means all the texts are aligned towards the left margin. That is called left alignment. Now, how we can apply left alignment? Let's move further. Steps for left alignment. First of all, you will click on the home tab. In the paragraph group, you will click on the left alignment command. As I have told you in the figure, in the home tab, you will click on the paragraph group. In the paragraph group, you will choose the left alignment command. Now match from this step only. In the home tab, in the paragraph group, click on the home tab. In the paragraph group, you will click on the left alignment. I hope you understood what are the steps for left alignment. This is the shortcut key for creating left alignment, that is Ctrl plus L. If instead of these steps you can directly click on Ctrl plus L for applying any text to be left aligned. Now let's move further to the second alignment, that is center alignment. Now center alignment is basically means align the text or place the text in the center of the page. What does it means? Means from the left or right margin it places the text in between of the page. As the definition said, a paragraph text will be center alignment if it is in the center of the left and right margin. Or you can say center alignment basically means, what does it do? It divides the text from the central vertical lines towards its left margin towards its right. What does it means? In short, center alignment करता क्या है? एक central vertical line के through मेरा text divide करता है towards its left, towards its right equally. That's why we can say this particular text is in center alignment. Now steps for alignment, center alignment, that is click on the home tab. In the paragraph group, click on the center alignment. I know these steps are same because in the left alignment home tab, then in the paragraph group you will click on the left alignment. Now in center, click on the home tab. In the paragraph group you will click, instead of left alignment you will click on the center alignment command for applying center alignment text. I hope you understood what is the difference between the steps of left and right center alignment. Now let's move further. Shortcut key for creating center alignment, that is Ctrl plus E. Make sure this is the shortcut key of center alignment. Do not confuse with the Ctrl plus C, because I know in left alignment Ctrl plus L are there, but in center alignment Ctrl plus C is not there, because Ctrl plus C is used to copy the text. So for center alignment the shortcut key is Ctrl plus E. So let's move further. Next is right alignment. Right alignment basically means all the texts are aligned towards the right margin, not toward the left margin. Because in left alignment all the texts are aligned towards the left margin. In right alignment all the texts are aligned towards the right margin. What are the steps for creating right alignment? Again click on the home tab. In the paragraph group you will click on the right alignment command for creating right alignment text. Now what is the shortcut key for creating right alignment? Ctrl plus R. Now see the figure. Now I have explained yet left alignment, center alignment and right alignment. Now I have written some text. Same text I have written, but in this left alignment all the texts are aligned toward the left margin. But in center alignment, can you see this vertical line? I am already told you above. In center alignment, all the texts are divided equally from the central vertical line towards its left and towards its right equally. That's why you will get this particular text in center. You can relate the central vertical line, all the texts are aligned equally from this center vertical line towards its left, towards its right. Now in right alignment all the texts are aligned towards its right margin. I hope you understood this figure is very much to you so that you can relate this example clearly. And symbol or command for left alignment, as you have seen in the command, all the text, these lines are in the form of text. These lines are arranged from the left margin equally. In center alignment, this particular icon is the command of center alignment. because if we draw a central vertical line here, it divides the text equally from the central vertical line towards its left and towards its right. This is the icon for applying right alignment command, in which all the texts are aligned towards the right margin. I hope you understood this figure, what is left alignment, center alignment and right alignment. Now, let's move further to the last alignment, that is justified alignment. In justified alignment, basically justified the text, or it divides the text equally from the left and right margin. What does it means? Means justified alignment में आपका लेफ्ट मार्जिन और राइट मार्जिन में इक्वल स्पेस लीव होता है और उसके बीच में जितना भी टेक्स्ट और स्पेसिंग बची होती है उसमें मेरा टेक्स्ट डिवाइड होता है पूरा पोजीशन में. व्हाट डज इट मीन्स? मैं स्टेप्स ऑफ शॉर्टकट कीज आपको बाद में बताऊंगी. लेट्स मूव फर्दर टुवर्ड्स द फिगर. नाउ आई हैव रिटन सम टेक्स्ट. दिस you see this part, unjustified text. In this, all the texts are aligned towards the left margin because I have already told you by default left alignment is there. One more thing, can you see this type of sentences in the left margin, in the left alignment? Means all the texts are aligned towards the left, but in the right side zigzag position are there of text. मीन्स स्ट्रेट लाइन में नहीं है मेरा टेक्स्ट, अनइवन पैटर्न में मेरा टेक्स्ट अवेलेबल हो रहा है फ्रॉम द राइट साइड. लेफ्ट साइड से तो मेरा इवन स्ट्रेट लाइन में आ रहा है, बट व्हाट अबाउट राइट साइड? इसके लिए मुझे इफ मैं राइट अलाइनमेंट लगाती हूँ तो राइट से साइड प्लेन हो जाएगा, इधर जिगजैग पोजीशन में आएगा. सो मुझे इस प्रॉब्लम को दूर करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग जस्टिफाइड अलाइनमेंट. नाउ this text is the justified text. Why I am saying this? In this margin is the left margin. Now similarly here is the left margin is this portion. Now here left margin and here this right margin are equal. Between the space, see the green line. In the green line portion, between the green line all the texts are divided equally. Means मुझे कहीं भी लेफ्ट साइड चाहे राइट साइड कोई भी अनइवन पैटर्न नहीं विजिबल हो रहा है. दिस इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग जस्टिफाइड अलाइनमेंट. नाउ डोंट कंफ्यूज विद द डेफिनेशन ऑफ जस्टिफाइड एंड सेंटर, बिकॉज इन सेंटर अलाइनमेंट सेंट्रल वर्टिकल लाइन के बेसिस पे मेरा टेक्स्ट डिवाइड होता है, बट इन जस्टिफाइड अलाइनमेंट में लेफ्ट और राइट मार्जिन इक्वल होने के बाद मेरा टेक्स्ट उस बीच की पोजीशन में डिवाइड होता है. दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ जस्टिफाइड. नाउ आई एम शोइंग द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द आइकन. दिस इज द आइकन ऑफ लेफ्ट alignment because all the texts are aligned, but in this right portion all the texts are uneven form. But in justified you will see all the texts are aligned in the square form. Means आपको कहीं भी uneven pattern नहीं visible होगा. Now let's move further. One more definition is there. Justification control the spacing between words. A justified text increase the space between words to fill the entire line so that it is aligned with the both left and right edges. I have already explained you. Means left और right edges के बीच में मेरा entire text fill होता है. That is the definition say. Now let's move further towards the steps for justified alignment. Click on the home tab. In the paragraph group you will click on justified aligned command. As the previous said, if you want to click on left alignment, steps are same. Here only the single word will be changed. Instead of justified you will write left alignment. For applying center alignment all the steps are same. You will write, instead of justify you will write center alignment command. Now let's move further towards the shortcut key for create justified alignment. That is Ctrl plus J. I hope you understood this alignment part. Now let's move further towards the practical part. I have written random function, that is RAND equals to RAND in bracket 4,3. When I press enter key, you will see 4 paragraphs are there. Now, by default, all the alignment are in the form of left alignment. By default, all the texts are left aligned. See, in the home tab, in the paragraph group, you will see left alignment. Suppose if I want to change this particular paragraph in the center alignment, you will see this particular paragraph will change in the center, because if we draw a center vertical line, all the texts are divided equally. Now, suppose if I want to change this particular paragraph, if I want to change it in the right alignment, see what happened. All the texts are aligned from the right margin. You will see in zigzag position from the left margin. All the texts are aligned towards the left margin. In the right side, you will see zigzag pattern are there. If we want to remove this zigzag pattern either left side or either right side, you will choose the alignment that is named justified. If I am clicking this, select this paragraph, see uneven pattern are there. If I am clicking the justified alignment in the paragraph group, see no uneven pattern are there. That is the best benefit for applying justified alignment. I hope you understood this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, that is Learn Information Technology, subscribe it and hit the like icon if you like this video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.